Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. Now I have created many videos about the Open Router where you can find free models, also paid models, but if you want free, you can find here free models, and I created some videos to show you how you can set up, for example, PyAgent with the Open Router. Also the last one was the NCA, Native Coding Agent, and also the OpenCode. Another site to find free models was the build.nvidia.com. Also here I showed you how to find models, free models, and use them with OpenCode. Now in this video I'm going to show you another one, which is the Cloudflare. Now you can go and create an account on Cloudflare. I think you have if you are a developer. And here on the dashboard we have here build and we have AI. If we click, we have models, but we have workers AI also. If you go to workers.ai, we have here build and deploy REST API. If we click on the REST API, here we can create a workers AI API token. First, also you need here, and also this is very important, we need this account ID. And here is an example. Make your first inference call. So API cloudflare.com client account is, now this is the account ID. Okay, so you need to copy that, and then also you need the API token. Now first let's go and create an API token, and this is for the first time I'm going to do. So let's create, you can give it a name, permissions, and let's say create API token. Okay, now here is the API token. I'm going to copy this API token, and now let's open the OpenCode. Here I have opened the OpenCode. Now right now I am in the example application using this Nemotron 3 Super Free. Okay, if we click and open the settings, we can go to providers, and we have providers. Here are the connected providers, and I have connected with Open Router, Hugging Face, NVIDIA, and Omelex, which is local. But yeah, we have other providers, popular one. And let's search, so show more providers, and we can search for the Cloudflare. And here we have the Cloudflare AI Gateway and Cloudflare Workers AI. I'm going to hit this one. We need to paste here the API key and click on continue. Okay, so Cloudflare Workers AI connected. Now if I want to choose a model from the Cloudflare, let's say Kimi K2.6. As you can see, we have Open Router and NVIDIA, also the Cloudflare Workers AI. So if I click here and I'm going to say hi, we have this Cloudflare account ID is missing. Set it with export Cloudflare account ID equal with and your account ID. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to open the Alacrity or any terminal you want. I'm going to zoom it a little bit, and then I'm going to say nvim as a /c, and here I'm going to paste that export Cloudflare account ID equal with, and here we need to paste the ID, which I'm going to copy right here, this ID. Okay, add that ID in here, save, and now we need to source this. And if we open again the OpenCode, as you can see, is saying is missing from previous one. But if I say hi again, now it's thinking and is working. Okay, in this way you can work with models, and you can go to models and search for models. And here we can see the models. We have Kimi K2.6, Gemma, GLM, and so on. You can work with any model you like. Okay, friends? And yeah, if you want to learn more, here on the Workers AI, you have the documentation and you can go and read more. Okay, friends, that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you how to set up your OpenCode with Cloudflare Workers AI. Now, if you like such videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.